Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to make the piece number 20 of the activity from my professional area called prototype design. At first, we're going to start with a sketch. We're going to put this thing that is three circles, one into each other. Then we're going to make a strut. This strut is going to make new and blind 44 millimeters, and then we are going to extrude the second circle. Yeah, that is that one. Then we're going to make another sketch. This is going to make at the half of the start figure, and this is the side of the sketch. Then we're going to extrude, making this figure, and we're going to put in add, and the stroke does is the same. We're going to put add to make one piece and not uh, so much, you know. Then we're going to put another sketch that's going to be this square in the middle of the figure, and we are going to extrude with remove. That's going to make that all the piece disappear. That, and you can see how all this part is not more here. Well, then we are going to make the sketch number 4. I need to make clear something. I make a lot of sketch and a lot of strokes because I want to explain uh, as well as possible I can. So in the sketch number 4 and the number 6 is the same, just one to one side of the piece and the other in the other side. So we are going to put two circles, one here and one there, and then we are going to extrude. We are going to put remove, and then you can see a cylinder making in the circle. Then we're going to make the same at the other side of the figure, and as the same as the other, we are going to extrude, put remove, and we're going to put through all, that is cut this to this. Yeah. Then the sketch number 5 is this part. It can be just a little, but it's so important to keep all the details, because a little failure can make a lot of second failure. So we're going to put it out the corner, and we're going to make this, making a square. Then we're going to extrude just the corner and put remove at the both sides of the figure. I'm going to make that the figure stay like not a square, more than I don't know. It's like a face, a silly face with a surprise expression. I don't know. Then The sketch number 7 is the same as the sketch number 5, and then the sketch number 8 is these two triangles at the middle of the star figure. And we just need to repeat all the form that we are making, and we're going to extrude, putting symmetric, and this is the side of the triangles. Well, this is all for my part. I appreciate your attention, and see you later, my buddies.